Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a little different. We're doing a remake of one of our, I think it was actually our very first video, where we took two cars, made one car due to the one was wrecked in the front, the other one was hit in the back. We cut them apart and made one. I hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't already subscribed, that would be greatly appreciated. Turn the little bell on. Go down and comment. Have you ever done anything this big? What do you guys think? Would you tackle a project like this? Thanks for all the love and support. We're almost to 200 subscribers, so if you can help me reach it there, hey, you never know what will be coming next. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. So right here you can see how we peeled apart the frame layer by layer and spread it apart. We did it on both pieces. That way when we bring the two pieces together, the metal will overlap and get all welded back together. We use self-tapping screws to do all the alignment before we welded it. That would be easily to adjust. We took measurements before we cut, obviously. Cut the cars apart. That way we could put it back, you know, right to almost OEM. Actually, when we had this thing aligned, the guy said at the shop it was closer than it comes right from the factory. How that happened, hey, I don't know about that, but because we're not professionals. But the car turned out well. It was a huge project. It was a neat experience. Keep watching the video, and hey, if you want to subscribe, that'd be great too. No pressure. Okay, so as you can see, we got the body work done. Now we're going to put some paint on it, put the interior of the car back together and the glass in. We'll have to bleed the brakes because we had to disconnect the brake lines that went to the back. Bleed the brakes, put the tires back on, torque them down, take it for a test drive. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this was a little bit different than normal. We're normally restoring tools, but this is our very first upload, and I thought I would do a remake on it. So if you enjoyed it, smash the like button. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever done anything like this? And hey, if you would like to hit the subscribe button, that would be awesome. Thanks for the support. Stay tuned for more content rolling your way.